Hello guys, this is Magnum Gaming here, but you guys can just call me Aaron or Magnum Gaming, either which. But anyways, today I think this is my first or second unboxing video on this channel. But today in the mail I got my hands on, well, today is a very special day for me. I got my hands on in the mail today. This came in the mail and it is an iPhone 5S. Look at this, like no joke, like it's not just a box, there's actually something inside it. Like, if you guys can hear. Yeah, I don't want to shake it too much in case the screen cracks or something. But yeah, so this is an iPhone 5S. And it's really awesome. Now, most of you guys are probably commenting right now, oh Aaron, this is wow, who cares about this? Like, this is such a lame phone. Like, it came out like a few years ago, no one likes it or uses it anymore. Well, actually, that may be true, guys, but this is supposed to be one of the bestest iPhones in the iPhone history. I heard that on a YouTube video. So I got this off a website called CEX. If you guys don't know what what CEX is, it's like a website where they sell games, like pre-owned games, and they sell like second-hand stuff, which is technically pre-owned and stuff. And it's a really good website, but I got this for a great bargain, £55 or euros or dollars. Well, I don't exactly know how much it would be in dollars or euros, but I reckon it will be around about the same price. But I got this, the reason how I afforded it is because I sold my hoverboard. Most of you guys may not know, might have not seen my hoverboard, and some of you might have. But yeah, it's in some of my TikToks, if you guys haven't seen already. But yeah, I sold my hoverboard for £65, and I got this for 55. Now, it said in the description it was in poor condition, but right now I'm really surprised that it came with a box. Like, there's a few marks on the box if you don't notice. There's a like blue marks there and stuff. But yeah, I don't think it's going to come with a cable or the charger. I'll be very surprised if it does, because like it's in poor condition and the person must have did something with the charger. But yeah, so actually I got a case as well. iPhone 5 case. Comment down below if you like it. I really do. But anyways, enough talking, let's unbox this because I'm really excited. It came in the mail today. I've been waiting about 5 days now, and yeah, let's open it. Oh, sorry if my hairline's a bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, just leave that there. Oh my god, this is the iPhone 5S. Yeah, like I was gonna say, I'm sorry if my hair's a bit like down. Sorry, but jeez, it's a real iPhone 5S. My god. Yeah. But yeah. There's a few marks there. If you can't see, I think it's on. There's a mark. Here, yeah, the camera bit. There's a mark at the camera if you can't see it, but there is a bit of a mark, which, well, it said it was poor condition, so I'm not really surprised. Oh no, and it didn't come with those pin things to get out the SIM card, to get put in the SIM card. But I think I've got one downstairs. But anyways, time to put the case on. So it's a bit hard. Well, not really hard, just kind of hard. Oh, damn it. damn. Okay, so geez, yeah. There's a few scratches on the screen that I'm very not chuffed about. Well, obviously there's going to be a few marks on the screen. Like I said, it was per condition, so yeah, I'm not really surprised. But yeah, there's a scratch on the Apple thing as well, that if you guys can't see it or can, yeah, there's a little scratch on the thing. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on charge because actually it did come with the charger, the charger and stuff, which I'm very surprised about. There's a few marks and this, but I'll wait until it's fully charged, so I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been about an hour now. Still got 2 boxes, just gonna put this there and this side. So I'm back. It's been charging for about an hour now. So I think it's time I turn this on. Okay, right, let's turn it on, I guess. Oh my god, it actually turned on. I didn't know it was actually going to turn on. Like, this is for legitimately real. Like, jeez. Like, well, I'm glad it's probably on full charge. So when once I set it all up, it'll be on full charge and stuff. Okay. Oh, right. It just it says hello at the start. Right? It's like, oh damn. All right. It's got like emails and addresses and stuff. Right. And I need a new Apple. Right. Okay. I'll be back to you guys once I've gotten all this set up, because it's probably going to take a long time. So I'll be back in maybe about an hour again, because I need to set this up. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, it is finally, my phone is finally set up and I've got some games and stuff on it, so I just want to show you the start. So here it is. It obviously says no SIM card installed, if you guys can see that, because there's no SIM card installed. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys my code. I'm just going to turn the sound up. I forgot to turn the volume up. Right. Alright, so this is my phone, guys. Obviously it says no SIM card installed. Here it is. What's it saying? Apple ID verification, not nil. I don't need to verify. Okay, so here it is. I've got TikTok, if you guys can see, and then I've got a few other games. I'll read them out to you. Coin Master, a game called Mr. Bullet, a game called Pick Me Up, and a game called Idle Supermarket, and another game called I can't pronounce it. Pinata Masters, Factory Inc., House Paint, Stack Ball, and a game called Driller. And I've got a Geometry Dash Light. I've got Geometry Dash Sub-Zero, Geometry Dash World, Geometry Dash Meltdown, and a game called Color Bump 3D, and Geometry Dash, the full version that I had to pay for. That was £2. So yeah, this is basically my phone, guys. If you can see, these are all the games I read out to you, and that's the other ones, if you guys can see. Yeah, so that is basically my phone, guys. I've got an Outlook email set up as well and everything, which is pretty cool. You get Siri as well. I need to update my phone to iOS 12. Yeah, I need to update my phone to iOS 12, but it says I need to download and install the software update by connecting to iTunes on my computer. so I'll probably do that tomorrow or something. So yeah, that's basically my iPhone. But I really recommend to buy, if you're gonna buy an iPhone or something, then I really recommend CX. Now the condition might be poor, but like at least it's an iPhone and stuff. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be getting my screen protector put on and stuff, and I'll probably be getting my SIM as well. But yeah, that's basically my iPhone. I really recommend getting one like this, iPhone 5S, because I heard that they were really good and stuff. And yeah, so this is my first iPhone, apart from an iPhone 4 that I had ages ago that broke. But anyways, yeah, that is my iPhone 5S. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Anyways, see you guys in the next video again, and yeah, bye bye.